Introducing the Treston Concept Ergo workstation. People are unique. Nevertheless, one workstation can fit everyone. Treston's Concept Ergo is height adjustable in just a few seconds for various users and needs. With the digital desk panel, it's easy to find your precise working height after the previous user or adjust the height for a new, different task. No more compromises on ergonomics. The world's largest selection of modular accessories and add-ons ensures that Treston's Concept Ergo fits all industrial working environments, such as ESD, research and development, assembly, packing and logistics. Smartly designed accessories help to promote an ergonomic way of working. Robust and sturdy, Treston's Concept Ergo is built to last decades. Functional design and modularity allow it to be updated when tasks change over the years. Durability and functionality make it totally future-proof. Expand your ergonomics with the Treston Concept Ergo and provide the best working environment for your employees. Unique needs, one ergonomic workstation. Treston Concept Ergo.